Natasha, thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me.
Tell us about your special journey.
So, my fiance and I, we have been trying to conceive for the last 3 years, and we were actually having some difficulty with conception. And we did fall upon the Penn State Health Hampton OBGYN clinic. So, then upon following with the clinic and finding out that we were actually pregnant, we knew very early on how much we already loved the practice and their staff. So, over the course of my pregnancy, we were truly delighted by the hospitality and the medical care that both the baby and I did receive.
And talk to us about choosing midwives. How did that come about?
Sure. So when we began our journey with the Penn State Health Hampton OBGYN team, we were able to follow with the midwives in the clinic. So for the duration of my pregnancy, I actually saw a variety of midwives since there was a possibility that I could deliver at any given time with the midwives. And it was more so something for me to be familiar with and their faces. So the professionalism, the personalism, as well as the humus relationships that we established over the course of months, the care was definitely unforgettable. It's always something to talk about and refer anyone to the OBGYN team for care.
Talk to me about their role.
So for their role, I had a very long labor. It was just very personal for me. Like their role helped us facilitate the delivery. It helped with any questions that I had about my pregnancy, any concerns. They were always open to anything. So it was always an avenue that was available at any given time, didn't matter the day or the time.
And really, how did they help you from day one of the whole journey until delivery?
So from day one, unfortunately, I did have a very long labor, but with the support of the labor and delivery staff, as well as midwives and family, we were able to deliver a healthy baby naturally. And I always knew and had support and pep talks from my OBGYN team. The midwives always dropped by to check on me, my needs, how the baby was progressing. It was a very supported and positive experience the whole way through.
And as far as the actual delivery, tell us about the delivery time and everything.
Yeah, absolutely. So we did welcome our little boy Maverick. He was born naturally on February 10th of 2023. He was born at 1:31 a.m. and he did weigh in at an 8 pounds, 10 ounces, measured 23 inches long. It was a very long labor again and delivery, but it was also worth it in the end. I'll never forget the overall labor experience and actually witnessing my son.
And tell us, how is everyone doing today, and how do the midwives continue to walk you through this journey?
Sure. So currently today, I'm doing very well. We have finally started to adjust it to our new life as mom and dad. I did have some issues with just, getting used to the routine, welcoming a new child into our life. And during those difficult moments, I was able to connect with my midwives team and talk about it, discuss it. We were able to work those feelings into positivity.
And how's Maverick doing?
He's great. He's a little congested at the moment, but he's wonderful. He is a doll baby, to say the least, the most content thing you'd ever meet.
Great. Well, congratulations and enjoy your time with Maverick.
Thank you. We really appreciate it in this opportunity.
Maverick is nearly a month and a half old, and he and mom are doing well.